All right, guys, this is a 2022 GMC Yukon XL, and we're changing the cabin air filter. This is gonna be the same procedure for all GM half tons from 2021. This probably even applies like the Silverado Sierras from 19 and newer. So Suburban, Yukon. First off, get you a new filter here. Just pick this up on Amazon. I'll leave a link to this one. So just get your glove box cleaned out. Open up the glove box. On the side here, there's these little stoppers, and if you just press it in, it'll come out. So pressing that side, and it comes down like that. Okay, there's a little bar right here that kind of holds it from coming down here. I'm just going to pop that off. See that bar right there? You just pop that off. This is like a little strut that holds it up. Just pop that off. The box just falls down. It falls off the hinges here. And our air filter is right up under here. This little rectangular cover. We just push this back. And then once that's loose on this side, we just move it over. You can see there's like a groove right here. This cover's inside, so we just push it to the left and it comes out like that. So pretty easy. Then we just reach in here, pull out our air filter. Note the orientation of the airflow. Airflow comes down. This is the factory one after about 26,000 miles in this. So pretty clean. I haven't replaced this. I'm gonna replace it. It's been 2.5 years and 26,000 miles. All right, on the new one, I'm just putting down, with a Sharpie, I just wrote down the mileage that I replaced it at, so that way I know. Okay. Arrows are facing down, just slip this back into the slot. Slip that in, make sure it's all the way back like that. All right, for this cover, you want to put it into place right here. You want to start it from the left and then push it in like that. So that way it's coming in from this side here. So this little notch is going into this notch. And then this is just latching down. So that one's installed. We're good to go. The glove box put back in. It's pushed past the stoppers. And then this little strut here, I'm just going to push back on to the notch. Just like that. Okay, just like that, it's changed. Pretty easy. You don't pay a dealer to do this, guys. This is simple. Grab the part on Amazon, do it yourself, and save a few bucks. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.